First of all, thanks to everyone who watches my tutorials, leave comments and supports me. It's nice to realize when what you do benefits people and helps them. Thank you for the kind words of support in the comments and private messages. In this video I would like to talk about the future of this channel and my plans for 2023. Let's talk about advertising, new content and upcoming course. I have had many changes in my personal and professional life. Previously I worked in 2 design agencies at the same time and recorded tutorials when I had free time. Last year, for various reasons, we ended cooperation and I started working as a freelancer and work with clients using monthly subscription and call it the wizard mode. If you're interested in how it works, you can check my website, link will be in description. As I work for myself, all the time I have to choose: do a project for a client or record tutorials on a channel. English is not my native language and usually recording long tutorial and editing a video takes 2 days. And so, to cover the costs and time to create a tutorial, sometimes in video will be advertising or promotion some tools that I like, and also I will add paid subscriptions with bonuses for sponsors. YouTube channel still just a hobby for now, but I will try to post more often this year. It means 1 long tutorial per month and possibly short videos with helpful tips and animation techniques. Also, I plan to create new content for channel. I have couple ideas and I would like you to vote for the ideas you like the best. First idea is a challenge for me. This is a live stream where viewers at the beginning choose topic for a project that I have to make and animate in 2 hours. Second idea, just for fun. It's designer battles called Crazy Client, where 2 designers in Figma in 1 hour in 1 document create project and at the same time implement the client's ridiculous ideas that will come every 10 or 20 minutes. Next idea is shorts with quick tutorials, how to animate only 1 small section, element or button, for example. Last idea, I will animate your projects. You can send to me your 1 screen or full homepage in Figma and I will make an animated version. Then record this video and send animated version back to you. And of course, if you have ideas, write please in comments and vote for the ideas you like the best. Link for voting will be in description. Many people asked if I had any design course, but I don't have it. And finally I decided to change it. Previously I planned to do a course in Adobe XD, but after latest news and Figma updates, I decided that right now I can show more interesting things in Figma. And it means that my first course will be created in Figma. But I can quite decide to what to focus on in the first course, and I would like to ask you what would be more interesting for you. I have 2 options. First option is a course with a lot of different animation techniques for small elements, sections, buttons, etc. with different levels of difficulty, from the simplest to the most complex animations. Or second option, I can show my full design process, how I create website designs, starting from the search for inspirations, how I choose fonts, colors, how I create design and then animate it, how I send to clients and then prepared project for publishing in social media. Please vote what would be most interesting for you. Oh, of course, link will be in description. If you want to support me on YouTube, there will be a paid subscription. At the beginning it will be only one level without benefits, which will cost only $1. It will be for people who have the opportunity to support me financially and in this way to say thank you for what I do. If everything goes well and I do everything that is planned, there will be new levels with new content, especially for sponsors. For example, it can be closed live broadcast with sponsors where you can ask me everything. It can be tutorials special for sponsors, some Figma files with project and animations that I created, and discount for upcoming course. Tell me please in comments what you think about all of this. Maybe do you have any ideas or suggestions? Have a nice day and see you soon. Tell me please if you want a tutorial how I made this.